This video will show you how to download anyone's video from Facebook without using specialized software. The first thing to do is go to the video you want to download and double-click on it. It is recommended that you use the Firefox browser rather than a Google browser since it works better. Double-clicking on the video will open the video in a new page. Go to the URL and replace the www with an M and then press enter. This converts the page from a desktop view to a mobile view and the page will reload. Click on the play button of the video. It will reload in another page. Now right-click on the video and another dialog box will open up. Scroll down to the Save Video As link and click on it. The File Explorer will open and ask you where you want to save the video. You can also rename the video. Select the directory you want to save the video in and click on the Save button. The video will download, and after it is downloaded, you can play it from your hard drive using the player of your choice.
We're really close to him.
Yeah, I'll probably be in my car there pretty soon. Wicked.